Hello friends, this will serve as your how-to video to navigate your virtual field trip to New Echota, the capital of the Cherokee Nation. First, you will find the map of Georgia and the section where the Cherokee Nation lived. You will click on the picture. Once you are here, you will find different elements of the Cherokee Nation that you can explore. But today, we are all going to navigate to our virtual field trip to New Echota. So you will click on before and after. Then you will click on the corner where it says lifestyle changes. Once you get here, you will find the New Echota virtual field trip. Again, this served as the capital of the Cherokee Nation from 1825 to 1832. You're going to find your way to Sequoia's print shop so you can learn a little bit more about who Sequoia was. So you're going to click here, and you're going to drag your little hand up, and it will lead you to a map of New Echota. As you can see, this is a real location in North Georgia that you can actually visit with your family. Today, you're going to take a virtual field trip there. So as you can see on our map, you have different locations. You have the museum, you have the middle-class Cherokee farmstead, the council house, the Supreme Court house, the print shop, Van's Tavern. These are all real locations that you can visit when you visit New Echota. Today, you're going to focus on the print shop. So you will click on letter D. After you've navigated to the print shop, you are more than welcome to visit Van's Tavern, Supreme Court House, Council House, Middle Class Cherokee Farmstead, and the museum. Let's click on the print shop. Once you click on the print shop, it will take you to this page. Buildings in New Echota included a council house, a print shop, Supreme Court House, and a tavern. Okay? So, you will see a photo of the print shop. Click on the orange hand. You will then find information, a video, photos, a biography, a virtual experience, and a walk around. So let's look at some of the elements. This gives you some information on the print shop. You can navigate to go back up. Again, you will need to find the print shop. Click on the print shop. Wait. Click on the photo, and then you can watch a video. This video will talk to you about the print shop. You can click on photos, and it will lead you to a new page, and you can explore the print shop through photos. You can then navigate back by clicking the tab at the top and clicking on this, and it will tell you about who Sequoia was. As you currently are researching information about Sequoia, this will be very important. It will talk to you about the Cherokee Phoenix. You can click the X, and it will take you back. You can do a virtual outside or inside field trip navigation around the courthouse, around the print shop. And then the last one is a walk around where you can just walk around the yard near the print shop. So again, make sure that you are using this video to help you navigate to the print shop at New Echota. Enjoy and have fun. Learn lots.